Days after the landmark Supreme Court verdict granting Muslim women the right to seek maintenance under the religion neutral Section 125, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board (AIMPLB) is going to challenge the verdict in a clashing viewpoint, stating that it is against the Islamic law. On grounds of faith, the AIMPLB Working Committee emphasized that though the Supreme Court's decision claims to be in interest of women, decision will become problematic for Muslim women. The board further asserted that providing maintenance to a wife beyond the iddat period doesn't augur well with the human reasoning that the man is held responsible for maintaining his ex-wives when the marriage itself is non-existent. The top court had earlier on Wednesday ruled that any divorced Muslim woman can seek maintenance from her husband under Section 125 of the CRPC, noting that the religion-neutral provision applies to all, irrespective of their religion. Through the verdict, the SC also nullified Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, passed by a Congress government in 1986 to overturn the SC's verdict of the 1985 Shah Bano case. Adopting a resolution, the board authorized the AIMPLB President Hazrat Maulana Khalid Saifullah Rahmani to initiate all possible measures, legal, constitutional or democratic, to ensure that the decision is rolled back. Apart from the alimony issue, the AIMPLB adopted 5 more resolutions, including one against the UCC, which the board will file in the Uttarakhand High Court later this year.
अभी हम लोग उसके ऊपर बाकायदा आज भी हमारी वर्किंग कमेटी की मीटिंग हुई है, उसके ऊपर हम बाकायदा किस तरह से सुप्रीम कोर्ट में रिएक्ट करना है बताएंगे आपको। यूसीसी तो हमको एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड हमको एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ माई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। माई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वेरी फर्मली गिव्स मी द राइट टू फॉलो माई रिलीजन, वेदर आई एम ए मुस्लिम, हिंदू, क्रिश्चियन, वेदर आई एम ए संतानम और अदर। मुझे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज़ गिवन मी द राइट अनलेस इट इज़ ए क्रिमिनलिटी ऑफ एनीथिंग। जो अगर मिसाल के ऊपर किसी ने किसी का कत्ल किया, खून किया है, उसकी सज़ा तो सबके लिए बराबर है। उस तरह के जो लॉ को हम चैलेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो मेरे पर्सनल लॉज हैं, जो मेरे कानून से प्रोवाइड किए हुए हैं, जो मेरे कुरान मजीद ने बताया है, उसके अंदर हम इंटरफेरेंस नहीं चाहते।
Speaking on UCC, AIMPLB spokesperson Syed Qasim Ilyas claimed that the Uniform Civil Code attempts to end diversity, is against religious freedom and is interference in the Sharia law.
This judgment is not a new judgment. Previously also Supreme Court has given the same type of judgment in Shah Bano case. We say that this is the interference in the Sharia law because Muslims are governed by Shariat Application Act in India, and Muslims have been given a fundamental right in Article 25 of the Constitution, which says that Muslims are allowed, or all the religious entities are allowed to practice their religion.
In another resolution, the Muslim Law Board stressed the implementation of Places of Worship Act, a resolution on Palestine issue, and even demanded the centre and the state government vacate illegally encroached Waqf properties.